So welcome to question 8. This is now part of the section where it's open response. So it's kind of like your typical short answer, long answer type of questions. They don't actually specifically give us an answer for on the EQAO website, but I'm going to demonstrate my thinking in terms of how to approach the question. So question 8 states that information about the fuel consumption for 2 cars is given in the chart below. And I'm going to draw the chart for you. This is car A, and basically it starts with, let's see, car A starts with 60 liters of gas. So it also states that 30% of this fuel is used. And then car B, so compared to car B, which has the fuel tank starts with 70 liters of fuel, and 68% of fuel remains, so it's present. So 68 of this fuel remains in the tank. So now we're going to determine which car has more fuel left in the fuel tank, and you have to justify your answers. So let's look at car A first. Car A has 60 liters, 30% of it is used, which means I can basically say that 70% is present, right? And how do we know that? We know that obviously it's 100% minus 30% used. Sorry, I'll write that nicer. Minus 30% used. So it's going to equal 70% present, right? So now we have to figure out how much more fuel is left, right? So 70%. So what we can do is we can do different color. We can do 60 liters to figure out how much gas is still in the tank. We can do 60 liters times. We can change this percentage into decimals. So we're going to do 0.70, and it's going to equal, so I can take out my calculator, 60 times 0.7 gives us 42 liters. So we now have 42 liters is present. So we have 42 liters left in the fuel tank, which means we can, and then what we can do is we can solve for how much is used, right? We can do 60 minus 42. And they'll give us 18 liters. But that's not what the question is asking, is 18 liters used, right? That's just bonus. We don't need to know that. And now we can go back to car B now. Car B, 70 liters, 68% is present. So what we can do is we're looking for how much fuel is left in the fuel tank. So we can actually just do 70 times 0.68 because that's what's present, right? And that's going to equal 70 times 0.68. This can give us 47.6 liters left. So it's present, right, in the fuel tank, which means what we can do is we can now write our answer, right? We can say that, therefore, car B has more fuel than car A. And we know this because 47.6 liters is greater than 42 liters. And that's our answer.